Well, testimony began today in the federal court trial of Hadi Matar. Matar is already serving a 25-year state prison sentence for the attempted murder of author Salman Rushdie at the Chautauqua Institution 4 years ago. But as we hear from Channel 2's Dave McKinley, Matar could have life without parole if convicted on these terrorism-related charges. Right, Dave?
That is right, Scott. Though his attempt to take Rushdie's life on the stage at Chautauqua is not in dispute, we can tell you that it is central to this case. And though prosecutors are not normally under any obligation to prove any kind of motive in any kind of case, that too is central if they're to seek a conviction on the charges Matar faces in federal court of providing material aid to a known terrorist organization. Prosecutors told jurors that in his attempt to kill Rushdie, Matar was trying to assist the cause of Hezbollah, which had endorsed a fatwa, an order to kill Rushdie issued by the supreme leader of Iran following the publication of Rushdie's book, The Satanic Verses, in the 1980s, and that Matar had planned the attack for 2 years. In his opening statement, lead prosecutor Timothy Lynch told jurors to fulfill the fatwa. That is what Hadi Matar intended to do. The defendant wanted Mr. Rushdie to die. He also revealed that in a search of his home and computer, Matar had pictures of other Hezbollah martyrs and this list of pros and cons were he to assassinate Rushdie. There weren't many cons, but there were many pros, said Lynch. The pros included supporting Islam through a sacrifice for Allah. The first witness on the stand was Christine McKay, production manager at Chautauqua. She guided prosecutors through the video of the attack captured on their multiple cameras. The gruesome video shown in court of Rushdie being stabbed 15 times caused some members of the 8-woman, 4-man jury in the 9th floor courtroom of Judge Richard Arcara, as well as some of the spectators there, to cover their mouths. It showed Matar take 3 seconds to cross the stage and then set upon Rushdie before a couple of dozen members of the audience rushed the stage to intervene. Among them, retired Los Angeles firefighter Mark Perez, who was visiting Chautauqua and who is largely credited for saving Rushdie's life by not only helping to subdue Matar, but then holding his thumb in Rushdie's neck for more than an hour to stem the tide of blood flowing from his carotid artery, which Perez described as profuse in its amount. As he did when Matar was put on trial for the attempted murder charges in Chautauqua County, Salman Rushdie is expected to travel to Buffalo to testify in this federal trial as well. On your side in the newsroom, Dave McKinley, Channel 2 News.